It's great to be an entrepreneur because it's possible to make far more money than you could ever do working in a job for someone else. I've been an entrepreneur for 3 decades, and I can assure you that even though it required me to show some courage and take a leap of faith to start with, I can honestly say that it was the best choice that I have ever made. It allowed me to take control of my life, earn money I could never have dreamt of in any job, and gave me the flexibility to enjoy my family and my life every single day without having to make the sacrifices that most jobs require. I'd like to invite you to join me. I've learned so much over the years that I can help you shortcut your path to success. All you need to do is decide this is what you want, and together, with some work and dedication, we can design your best life. But first off, let me tell you, most entrepreneurs actually go broke 7 times before they succeed. Is there a way to avoid this? Fortunately, yes. You see, as an entrepreneur, I work for myself, but in collaboration with Herbalife, the biggest health and nutrition company in the world. And because they've solved all the problems involved in going from an idea to being the biggest global brand, I don't have to, and neither do you. Let me introduce my daughter Lucy, who grew up while I was building my business, to show you in literally 2 minutes and 30 seconds how this business works.
So how could you potentially make a part-time income or even a full-time income with the Herbalife Nutrition business opportunity? Well, we can develop multiple streams of income. The first one is retail profit. So once you're using the Herbalife Nutrition products yourself and you've got those incredible health results, it's going to be natural for you to share that passion on with others, just in the same way as you would recommend any other product. Your friends, family, followers, subscribers will be able to purchase Herbalife Nutrition from you, and from day one you can make a 25% profit, and you can grow that profit margin up to a whopping 50% every single time somebody buys from you. We pride ourselves in being coaches, not salespeople. And so every single person who orders through you is going to have you there to support them through the journey. And that's one of the reasons why we're #1 in the world. The second stream of income is one of the passive income streams, meaning that you can develop a team of your own, a team of equals, a team of entrepreneurs just like you, which enables your business to make an even bigger impact than you could ever do on your own. The great thing about building a team is that Herbalife Nutrition will pay you commissions every single month based on the impact that they're making as a thank you, because if it wasn't for you, they wouldn't have found this opportunity. The third income stream is my favorite, royalties. Royalties enable you to build an even bigger team, make an even bigger impact, and as a result, make an even bigger income too. The fourth income stream is bonuses. Because you don't have a boss, no one can push you or pressure you or threaten you to work harder. So instead, we motivate and inspire and incentivize you to work your best. That's why the more you do, the more you get with this business, and bonuses are added onto your royalties the bigger the royalties get. You can also qualify for free annual vacations for you and your family. And let me tell you, there ain't no vacation like a Herbalife Nutrition vacation. As I'm sure you can see, what's powerful about this business opportunity is the number of passive income streams that you can develop. So provided that you work hard and you build a solid foundation to your business, you could have income paying you monthly for the rest of your life, and you can even leave this income in your will to your family for future generations. I'm so grateful for this opportunity because it allows me to work hard and be rewarded for that without limits. The harder you work, the luckier you get, guys.
Thank you, Lucy. Now, as I'm sure you can see, this business is fun and simple and works like magic, and we can show you how. Now, the choice is entirely up to you. Some people want a side hustle that gives them money in the bank at the end of the month instead of the usual overdraft. Some, like Lucy, want the freedom to travel and live a laptop lifestyle, running their business from wherever they are. Some want to just go for it and build an international empire without limits. And of course, some want to reinvent themselves to be able to take charge of their lives so they can decide when and where they work, how how much money they make, improve their health, how they look, how they dress, and how they feel about themselves. It's all possible. And what's more, the good news is you don't need to invest hundreds of thousands of pounds to start this international business. You don't need to hire staff, rent premises, or deal with a mountain of regulations. Herbalife is super simple and done for you. All you need to do is decide to be part of this rapidly growing wellness industry and be willing to learn, and we can help guide you through the rest. To get started, simply click on the link below and register for just £39 if you're in the UK. And that's it. You'll have a license to trade in more than 90 countries. And by the way, message me if you're in a country outside the UK and I can help you with that too. Herbalife has been a trusted leader in global health and nutrition for over 40 years and will administer everything for you. They'll import, export and deliver all around the world for you. And if you sign up today, you'll even get a container of Herbalife's delicious award-winning Formula One shake delivered to you free of charge. Not only will you be the proud owner of your own business, but you will be a member of our empowered group of brave women who are reinventing their own lives and transforming the lives of those around them, and I will be your mentor. As soon as you register by clicking the link below, you'll receive a confirmation email from Herbalife International, giving you access to all the perks, including a free e-commerce website and huge discounts on all the incredible health and beauty products so that you can start to look and feel amazing first and foremost. It's brilliant. You'll also get an email from me with an invitation to join an orientation call where we will welcome you aboard and help you to get started. I can't wait to work with you and help you live your best life. So go on, click on the link.